How to turn on or off friends requests notifications on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off friends requests on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, and now to get to this page, just click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon and click on notifications. And here you're gonna find friends requests. Click on it and you can turn off this option. There are notifications for when someone send you a friend's request or a request you have sent in is accepted. Just click and turn off these options, whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.